y'all, so I am back. So for a while now I have been getting some comments to do a SheIn haul, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see the pieces that I got and see me try them on, then keep on watching. My bag actually just came in today, so it came from FedEx. Picked up a few pieces to test them out. I have tried SheIn back in the day, but it was a super long time ago. And as y'all know, these companies are always upping their quality, so it's been quite a while, several years since I've tried anything from them. Let's jump into the items. First of all, the items come in bags like this. So all the items came wrapped up separately. And this first item that I got is a dress, and I believe I got everything in a medium. And I already tried this one on, like whenever it came, I just wanted to see. And it's super cute. I'm glad that I got a medium because a small probably would have been too tight. But the top part of the dress is gray, and you have the hoodie, and it also does have a zipper. And then you have like a black stripe, and then it goes into a build out sleeve, and it's gray. And this is just so cute, and it's very chill and cozy type vibe. So this is the dress. It is a short dress, but it is a hoodie dress. So this is kind of more casual to me. You can dress it up and put some boots or heels on with it, but I would probably pair this with some sneakers. So yeah, super cute on a day when it's not too cold, like, you know, you can leave your legs out. So I got that one, and that's a medium. And then I also picked up this one. This is a medium as well, and this came in several colors, but I thought this was super cute as a lounge kind of outfit, or you could also wear this as an outfit and wear it out. So this is the top. I picked this really pretty blue color. They had this in several different colors, and it's a crop top, and it's long sleeves, and it just looks like this, and it's ribbed. So really basic. You can use the shirt and wear it with something else as well. And then it did have matching pants to it. So these are the pants. I figured the pants are probably going to be too big. I probably should have got a small, but this is how the pants look. We will see whenever we try them on. But I just thought this blue color was absolutely beautiful. And then it is a build out sleeve. And the material on this is thick, and it's really good material. Like, I wasn't expecting for it to be that great of a material whenever I was looking at it online, okay? So then also I got this piece, and it doesn't have the little pull thing on it, so the bag is stuck closed. So this one is a dress, and it's a really cute hoodie dress once again. So this is how this one looks. Now, this one is so cute. So it's a pink color, of course. Y'all know I love pink. And you have the hood. And then the way that the dress goes, it's like the back is going to be out, if you can already see that. And then it goes where it's going to be like your whole shoulder is out. So then you have this part that's going to hold it up. So this is the sleeve, and then it goes down into a regular little puffed out sleeve. Like, so cute. Just imagine, well, y'all will see me try it on, but you know, the shoulder is completely out, the back is going to be out. Like, this is definitely more of a dressy type of vibe, but then still very chill because it is like a hoodie kind of dress. And then it is scrunched on the sides as well. So I thought this would be super cute once again to pair with some sneakers, just for a more girly, chill, casual vibe. So yeah, and I think I got this one in a medium as well. Yes, so this one is a medium also, and really cute. It's just a really pretty baby pink kind of color. I also picked up this pair of pants and a top. They're separates, but I picked up these pants, and I thought that they were ribbed. On the website it did say ribbed, but this material is definitely more of a dress pants type of material. So this is how the pants look. They look really big whenever I'm holding them up, but they do fit because I tried them on. So this is the pants. They're high-waisted. They do have a zipper on the side, and then the pants goes down, and then it has the splits on the sides of the pants. So I just wanted it because it had that split on the side, because I thought that was really cute. And I've been seeing some people pair the split pants with like sneakers, and it looks really cute and stylish. So I was like, I want to get me a pair of split pants, but I thought these were going to be ribbed, which would give them more of a casual vibe. But they feel more like a dress pants material, but I could probably still pull it off and put it with some sneakers if I wanted to. So yeah, these are the pants, and that is a medium. And then I also have picked up this top that I could pair along with it, or I could put this top with, you know, something else if I choose to. But this top is really cute. If y'all don't know, cow print is like everywhere right now. So I was like, let me get this cute little cow print top. So this is how it goes. It has like a mock turtleneck, and then you have this section out here. So you're going to have like some cleavage out, and then it is a little crop top, and it's long sleeves. So super cute. This will be cute with some jeans or whatever, and like a puffer jacket or something like that as well. Or even like with those pants, I was thinking I want to try it on and see if it looks good with like the, is it Concord Jordans? The Space Jam Jordans. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about like what number Jordans are and all of that stuff. But I think it'll probably be cute with those. So I also got this set as well. And this is a 2-piece set. And oh my God, the material feels really good. And this lettuce trim type of stuff has been really popular. So this is this set, and this is a medium. So this one is black, and then you have the white little lettuce trim on the sides. So super cute. And then this is the top on it. Now I thought this would be so cute to pair with sneakers or either with some boots. I have some boots coming in that I think will be really cute with this as well. And I like the bottom. It has the little trim, and also at the bottom of the shirt. So super cute. This is a really chill vibe. I could wear this around the house to like lounge, or I could dress it up and make it into an outfit. So I really like all of the pieces that I got, and the quality is amazing on every one of them. I didn't get anything that is like a cheap silky material. If anything, the only thing that feels the cheapest out of everything that I got is this shirt, and it's still not a bad material. It kind of has a silky feel, but then at the same time it's more of a matte silky feel. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a really soft material. Out of everything, I would say that this material is probably the least quality out of all of them, but it's still really good quality, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I really like all of the items that I got from SheIn. If y'all want to see more videos featuring items from them, then let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.